It started as a spark, a sudden flare, a frantic kind of magic in the air. I memorized the way you said my name and played 1,000 versions of a game where everything was perfect, bright and new. But I wasn't seeing you, I was seeing of you. It's a long way out from a pedestal height, from the fever of the dawn to the calm of the night. It's moving past the shiver to the soul underneath, trading the crown for a common wreath. It's not just the fire, it's the warmth of the glow. This is how we learn to love the real love grow. Then the season shifted, the shadows drew near, the flaws began to whisper loud and clear. The silence wasn't golden, it was heavy and deep, and I had promises I wasn't sure I could keep. But the cracks in the image let the light pour through, and for the first time I finally saw you. Infatuation is a sprint, a breathless race, but love is a marathon, a steady pace. It's choosing to stay, for the magic feels thin, and opening a door to let the honesty in. It's not wanting you perfect, it's wanting you whole. The anchor of the heart, the gravity of the soul. It's a long way down from the pedestal height, from the fever of the dawn to the calm of the night. It's moving past the shimmer to the soul underneath, trading the crown for a fallen wreath. It's not just the fire, it's the warmth of the glow. This is how we learn to let the real love grow. Beyond the I want you, beyond the I need, to the simple quiet I am here. Whatever the weather, whatever the year, unconditional. Just love, just